Best Fishing Drone. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best fishing drones available today. Whether you're a seasoned angler looking to enhance your fishing experience or a newcomer exploring innovative fishing technology, we've curated a list of top-notch drones designed specifically for fishing. From robust waterproof designs to advanced aerial capabilities, these drones offer unmatched features like long-range casting, precise bait deployment, and high-resolution cameras for scouting fish from above. Join us as we explore each drone's unique features and benefits, helping you choose the perfect companion for your next fishing adventure.
Finding the best fishing gear can be such a long task, especially since you have to pick through many choices in the market. Fish Finally is here to make your job easier. Our list of recommendations carry only the best products of the bunch. To know more about each of these, you can always check out the links we've put in the description box. Let's dive in. Up next, we have a great mid-range model that would give you a satisfactory result all around.
Fisherman Max Heavy Lift Fishing Drone. The Fisherman Max Heavy Lift Fishing Drone is designed to revolutionize fishing by offering unparalleled capabilities for anglers. This drone boasts heavy lift capacity, allowing it to carry larger bait and fishing rigs to more remote and inaccessible fishing spots with ease. Equipped with advanced stabilization technology, it ensures steady flight even in windy conditions, providing a stable platform for precise bait delivery. The drone features a robust GPS navigation system for accurate waypoint setting and return-to-home functionality. Its high-definition camera enables anglers to scout for fish from above, enhancing fishing efficiency. With long battery life and a durable, waterproof design, the Fisherman Max Heavy Lift Fishing Drone is a reliable tool for both recreational and professional fishermen seeking to expand their fishing capabilities. DJI Mini 3 Fishing Drone. The DJI Mini 3 Fishing Drone represents the latest innovation in drone technology tailored for fishing enthusiasts. It features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to transport and operate. Equipped with a powerful camera and stabilization system, it allows anglers to scout for fish and monitor underwater conditions with precision. The drone offers extended flight time, enabling longer missions without frequent recharging. With advanced GPS capabilities, it supports waypoint navigation and return-to-home functions, ensuring safe and reliable operation. The DJI Mini 3 is designed to withstand various weather conditions and is equipped with features like obstacle avoidance for enhanced safety during flight. Ideal for both recreational and professional use, this drone enhances fishing efficiency by providing aerial views and remote bait delivery capabilities. DJI Mini 4 Pro Fishing Drone. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Fishing Drone represents a significant advancement in unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) technology tailored specifically for fishing applications. Boasting an upgraded design and enhanced capabilities, this drone features a robust construction that ensures durability and reliability in various environmental conditions. Equipped with a high-resolution camera and advanced stabilization system, it delivers exceptional aerial footage and real-time monitoring of fishing spots, facilitating precise fish detection and underwater exploration. The Mini 4 Pro excels in extended flight times, enabling prolonged missions without compromising performance. It integrates cutting-edge GPS technology for accurate navigation and intelligent flight modes such as waypoint routing and automated return-to-home functionality for added safety and convenience. Designed to optimize fishing efficiency, this drone offers remote bait deployment capabilities and obstacle avoidance sensors to ensure seamless operation.
Let's start the ball rolling with the best budget option that will not skimp on any desired features.
Swellpro Fisherman FD1 Fishing Drone. Designed specifically for fishing enthusiasts, the Swellpro Fisherman Drone offers unparalleled durability and functionality on water. Unlike standard drones, it's built with comprehensive waterproofing, ensuring reliability even in challenging marine environments where sea spray and moisture could affect other drones. The fisherman excels with its ability to cast lines over 1 kilometer and precisely drop baits or lures, thanks to waterproof release modules that guarantee accurate deployment. Derived from the robust Splash Drone platform, it features ruggedized internals for simplicity and reliability in flight. With a substantial 2 kilograms bait capacity, it supports carrying multiple baited hooks or heavy live baits, making it ideal for targeting a variety of fish species like sharks or tuna. This drone is a game-changer for anglers seeking advanced fishing technology that withstands harsh conditions with ease. Quadcopter Trident Fishing Drone. The Quadcopter Trident Fishing Drone is designed specifically for anglers seeking advanced capabilities for fishing. Built with robust features, it boasts a durable and waterproof design that ensures reliability in marine environments. This drone offers superior payload capacity, allowing it to carry multiple baited hooks or heavy live baits for targeting larger fish such as sharks or tuna. Precision in bait deployment is facilitated by specialized waterproof release modules, ensuring accuracy with every cast. With a range of over 1 kilometer, the Trident enables anglers to reach distant fishing spots effortlessly. Its ruggedized internals and user-friendly operation make it a dependable choice for fishing enthusiasts looking to enhance their fishing experience with innovative drone technology. DJI Mini 2 SE Fishing Drone. Despite its lightweight design, the DJI Mini 2 SE stands out with robust wind resistance and reliable return-to-home functionality, ensuring safe and worry-free flights. It boasts a flight speed of up to 36 miles per hour and utilizes OcuSync 2.0 for seamless video transmission over distances up to 6.2 miles. With a generous flight time of up to 31 minutes, it offers extended aerial exploration. The Mini 2 SE excels in capturing professional quality footage with its quick shots and panorama intelligent flight modes, allowing for stunning results with just a tap. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, it records smooth 2.7K 30 video and captures 12MP photos in both JPG and RAW formats. Additional features include one-tap takeoff and return, as well as up to 4x digital zoom, enhancing versatility and ease of use for aerial photography enthusiasts.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Swell-Pro Fisherman Max FD2 Fishing Drone. Imagine a fishing drone that requires no calibration, offers no geofencing restrictions, and is fully IP67 saltwater proof. Meet the latest innovation in fishing technology. Robust aerial companion with a 7.0 pounds / 3.2 kilograms bait capacity. The basic version comes equipped with a dual bait release system, while the advanced model enhances your fishing experience with an additional 4K camera for capturing high-resolution footage. It's important to note that the basic version cannot be upgraded to the advanced model. Whether you're aiming for precision bait deployment or stunning aerial views of your fishing spots, this drone provides unmatched reliability and functionality tailored specifically for fishing enthusiasts. Enjoy seamless operations without the hassle of calibration, ensuring every fishing trip is efficient and successful. Swell-Pro Fisherman FD1 Plus Fishing Drone. Imagine a cutting-edge fishing drone that requires no calibration and boasts IP67 seawater proofing, ensuring durability in marine environments. With a generous 4.8 pounds / 2.2 kilograms bait capacity and a casting range of 0.8 miles / 1.3 kilometers, this drone empowers anglers with precise bait deployment over significant distances. Designed for ease of use and reliability, it eliminates the complexities of setup and maintenance typically associated with drones. The IP67 rating ensures protection against water ingress, making it suitable for fishing in diverse weather conditions. Whether you're targeting fish from shorelines or remote spots on the water, this drone offers seamless operation and dependable performance. Enjoy enhanced fishing efficiency with the ability to deploy bait accurately and effectively using advanced aerial technology. Thank you for watching our in-depth exploration of the best fishing drones on the market. Whether you're interested in the heavy lift capabilities of the Fisherman Max Heavy Lift or the compact versatility of DJI's Mini series, each drone offers unique advantages tailored to anglers. From waterproof construction to advanced navigation systems, these drones redefine fishing technology, providing you with tools to reach distant spots and capture stunning aerial views. Choose the drone that fits your fishing style and elevate your fishing experience with cutting-edge technology. Happy fishing and tight lines!